Hello and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the Mustang is in the garage with the 67. It did not run. We shoved it in the garage. We got it turned over with the key, as you saw from the last video. We got power all the way into the distributor, but we never got spark. So wouldn't run, couldn't figure it out at all. So we're just gonna pull the engine. So as you can see, the hood is off, battery's out. As you can hear, probably I'm draining fluid out of the radiator. The engine oil I've already drained. So we're gonna get going here. Hopefully today we'll have all the fluids gone. We will have the radiator off, most of the front of the engine off, have the carb off, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be pulling the engine out. This time on the 67 here, yeah, we pulled the engine and the transmission out at the same time. I don't want to do that with this car just because it was really tricky. It's a lot easier just to pull the engine out. The car will raise up because the wear is less weight, and then you just jack the car up, drop the transmission down, and then pull the transmission out. So I think that's what we're going to do with this car. So let's go ahead and get started.
Program to bring you a special report.
Now, the key to a good engine rebuild is to stay organized. We found that out. The best thing we found is Ziploc bags. Not necessarily this brand, just anything that once you take something off the Mustang, so like right now, working on getting the alternator off, just took the tensioner bolt off, get a bag, get the bag out, get a Sharpie. There's one in here somewhere. Just saw it. Oh, come on. There it is. Then right on the bag where the bolt goes to. Then also just take lots of pictures throughout the engine rebuild. It'll save you a lot of hassle when you go to try to figure out where stuff goes. Then once you have your bag labeled, take it. Just get a crate or a box and just start putting everything in the box or crate. That way you keep it all together and hopefully you won't lose anything and you won't have any leftover bolts at the end. So that's my advice for a good engine or anything rebuild, is just to label everything so you know where it goes. Well, as you can probably tell by my face, it's pretty hot out here in the garage. A lot is off, all the hoses are off the radiator, all the fluids drained. The radiator can come off now. I have to wait to get some assistance because there are nuts on the back of this radiator. So I don't think this is factory, because normally from the factory, Ford put clips on the back here that the bolts went in. So I already took one off. I don't know what I did with it, but I snapped the bolt off. So I'm gonna wait to get help getting those off, so I hopefully salvage the other three. Power steering pump is next. Air compressor, or not the air compressor, the compressor for the air conditioner bracket, that can come off next. And then we gotta get the battery tray out of there. And exhaust manifolds will be unbolted, and then we'll be getting pretty close to pulling the engine out. We'll get everything ready for tomorrow and hopefully have this engine out tomorrow. So let's get back to work.
I actually just got done editing the video that you guys are currently watching and realized I didn't film an outro. So as you can see, the engine's already out. That's a video that's coming next week. Thursday, the video of the 67 going to his first car show will be coming out, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you've made it this far in the video, let me know down in the comments what type of videos do you want to see. Do you want to see like actually in-depth how to do stuff, or just time lapses of all of it and just kind of do general of what's happening, or exactly what you want to see. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys next time.